Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make some delicious Mexican donuts. These donuts are my kids' favorite, and the best part is that they are super easy to make. So in case you guys want to know how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Okay guys, so first we're going to begin by activating our yeast. Here I have 3/4 of a cup of warm milk. I just put it in the microwave for 40 seconds. So to our milk we're going to add 1 tablespoon of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay, so we're going to mix it. Okay, into that we're going to add 2.5 teaspoons of yeast. And this is the one that I'm using, but you can also use this one. And now we're just going to mix it in. Okay, so now we're just going to allow it to activate, so we're just going to set it to the side and leave it there for about 5 to 6 minutes. Okay guys, so after 5 minutes, our yeast should have activated, so now we are ready to make our dough. Okay, so on a clean countertop, we're going to sift 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're also going to sift 1/2 cup of regular sugar. Into that, we're also going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And this is cinnamon that I pulverize myself. I just feel like it has more flavor. Okay. Now we're just going to create a little hole in the middle. And at the ends, we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And now we're going to add 3 eggs. And just kind of mix it. We're also going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla and just mix it in there. Okay, and now we're going to add our yeast mixture. And we're just going to mix everything together. And just make sure that your eggs are at room temperature. Okay, so now just make sure that you mix your dry ingredients with your wet ingredients. Okay, so once we have incorporated all of our ingredients, this is what our dough should look like. So now we're going to add 1/3 of a cup of butter. Make sure that it is at room temperature. Okay, so just fold it all in. Allow your masita to incorporate with the butter. Okay, so once we add our butter to our dough, this is what it should look like. So now we're going to knead for about 10 minutes. Don't add any more flour. The dough is going to feel very sticky, but just trust the process. Alright guys, so after 5 minutes, our dough should be nice and soft. So at this point, it is done. So now we're just going to rub it with butter. So just rub your hands. Going to rub it all around. Okay, so just shape a big ball. We're going to place it in a bowl. Cover with plastic wrap and a kitchen towel. Okay, so now I'm going to place it in my oven with the light on and just allow it to sit for 1 hour or until it doubles its size. After 1 hour, our dough should look something like this. So now we are ready to shape our donuts. Okay, so remove the plastic and we're going to punch it so like that I can get rid of all of the air. So we're going to get our dough out of the bowl. Fold it in. Form a big ball again. And now we're going to cut it in half. Okay, so 1/2, we're going to place it back in our bowl and make sure that it is completely covered. So we're going to set it to the side so we can work on our 1/2 right now. Okay, so now we're just going to add a little bit of flour and we're going to roll it out. So roll it out about 1/2 inch. Just go back and forth. Okay, so once we have our dough rolled out, now we are ready to shape our donuts. So for this, you can use a donut cutter, a cookie cutter, or even a cup. Okay, so we're just going to grab my donut cutter, and I got it off of Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box, but you just press it down, start shaping them. Okay, with the rest of our dough, we're just going to make donut holes. Okay, so now we're just going to remove the dough. In this dough, we can re-roll it and make more donuts, but you have to allow it to rest. And now I'm just going to grab parchment paper and place my donuts in there so they can rest. Okay, so now we're going to place them in our oven and allow them to rise again. Okay, so now we're going to repeat the same process to our other ball of dough. Okay guys, so after 45 minutes, our donuts should have doubled in size. So now we are ready to get everything ready so we can begin frying. So for our coating, we're going to mix 1 cup of sugar with 2 tablespoons of cinnamon. Just mix everything. Okay, so once we have that, now we're ready to get our oil ready. Okay, so we're going to get our frying pan, set it at medium-low heat, and we're going to add our oil. So about 2 cups, and we're just going to allow it to heat up. Okay guys, so once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to throw in our donut, and we're going to fry it for about 30 seconds on each side or until it's nice and golden. Okay, so flip it over and allow that side to get nice and golden. So once our donut is nice and golden all around, just going to pat it on a paper towel, and then we're going to dip it into our cinnamon sugar, just like that. And now we're just going to continue frying until we no longer have any donuts to fry. Alrighty you guys, and just like that, we have our delicious Mexican donuts. Now we are ready for the fun part. Alrighty you guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. They're seriously the best. Super delicious, everybody enjoys them, and the best part is that they are super easy to make. Perfect to enjoy with a glass of milk, a glass of water, champurrado, your coffee, literally anything. So they are so irresistible, so warning, but look how soft they are. Look how soft, it's like a pillow, but I am so ready. So cheers and enjoy. Honestly, the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it on how to make some delicious Mexican donuts. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.